The Ultrasky Flat Skylight features edge-to-edge frameless technology to maximize light into the room below. It exceeds building regulations in terms of thermal performance, and the noise-reducing glass can reduce noise pollution by up to 34 decibels. The Ultrasky Flat Skylight uses a fully insulated click-fit frame, providing both thermal efficiency and an easy installation. The edge-to-edge performance glass reduces the risk of any residue buildup. The performance glass is highly thermally efficient and maximizes natural light inside the room below. Available in grey, black or white as standard, the aluminium surround is bonded to the glass for a minimalistic look. Double-seal gaskets with high compression ensure a watertight seal. The insulated frame with warm frame technology features a thermally insulated core and is welded to prevent water ingress. The plasterboard trim provides a neat internal finish, making plastering easy and offering better internal aesthetics. The Ultrasky Flat Skylight combines simple and contemporary design with high-performance glass to create an elegant, all-round roofing product.